Hello, good morning, guys. Happy New Year. Hope you guys have such a great New Year night. Hope everybody enjoy their time. Today, I'm gonna make an exclusive video at the dealership where I work. It's called Mossy Nissan. We have a brand new facility. It's renovated. It's looked amazing. So I really want to show you guys how the new look of this Mossy Nissan, so you guys can also enjoy this video. Please like, share, and subscribe this video. Your help will also give me a motivation to make more videos like that. Let's have a look. Look at that outside. Beautiful facility, beautiful dealership. New renovated this dealership. Mossy Nissan is an I-10 and Kirkwood in Houston area. Mossy Nissan is also one of the #1 GTR dealership in the country. Just to overview of their inventory, we have a huge selection of inventory of Nissan new and used cars. Receptionist desk. Some nice 400Zs. The thing I want to show it to you guys, its dealership was now designed as a cafe style, so you guys can enjoy, sit, relax while our team is doing the rest of the job, and make sure you are comfortable. You're doing great on the business side. Look at here, look at the ceilings. Showroom floor. Beautiful dealership. Another view of the showroom. You can see here, beautiful dealership. Such a class act. Some of the cafe style seats where the customer can enjoy and get all their information. That's the service lounge. So if you just want to come and while your car is in service, you can enjoy the service lounge, have nice coffee machine, waters. That's our parts department. And you can enjoy those drinks. Beautiful building of Mossy. Look at the offices, man. You can sit back, relax, and enjoy. Look at the sales floor. The cars lined up. Mata, Pathfinder, Murano. And this is the favorite Frontier. Sentra in the back, Versailles over there. And this is a Rock Creek Rogue. along with a 400Z. What an incredible dealership this is to work on. That's the delivery area. We have a couple of EV chargers, slow charger, and we also have the fast charging station right here as well. That's the service lounge. Beautiful service lounge. We have it, all the service advisor sits here. Hope you like this presentation of Mossy Nissan, the redesigned dealership. Hope you guys enjoy it, and keep coming and keep giving us the opportunity to help and earn your business here at Mossy Nissan. We believe to help customers in all aspects, and we want to make sure all of our customers are satisfied for all their car needs, either sales, service, parts, body shop, everything. So Mossy Nissan has every single thing. So please give us a call and to set the appointment for sales, service, anything you want. We are here to assist. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to every single person that you know. And we love to earn your business. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.